In this video, I will demonstrate how to set a PIN for your CIBC debit card. Let's begin. The initial step involves downloading and installing the CIBC mobile banking app if you haven't already. You can find it on the Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. Install it on your smartphone. Next, log into your CIBC online banking account using the newly installed application. Navigate to the Card Management section within the app. This section may be labeled as Cards Manage Cards or something similar. Select your debit card from the list of cards associated with your account. Tap on the card to access its settings. Within the debit card settings, locate the option related to PIN settings. It might be labeled as Set PIN, Change PIN, or something similar. Tap on the PIN settings option and follow the prompts to enter a new PIN. Choose a unique 4-digit PIN that is not easily guessable. Confirm your new PIN by entering it again. Double-check to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, the app will process the request and update your debit card's PIN. To verify that your new PIN is set correctly, test it by making a small purchase or performing a balance inquiry at an ATM. That concludes the process. Thank you for watching.